In this video, I'll show you how to install Portainer on Ubuntu. Portainer is a powerful, user-friendly tool that makes managing your Docker containers, images, networks, and volumes simple with its easy-to-use web interface. Before we start, make sure you have a Ubuntu server running. I'm hosting mine through Proxmox. Check out my video on setting that up if you're interested. Go to the console tab on your Ubuntu server that you want to have Portainer on and log in. First, update your repositories with the command sudo apt update. This will ensure everything is up to date and stable for installation. Next, we're going to install Docker with the command sudo apt install docker.io-y. This installs the Docker package from the Ubuntu/Debian repositories and automatically answers yes to any prompts. Once it installs, verify that Docker is running with the command systemctl status docker. Before running the Portainer container, create a Docker volume to store Portainer's persistent data using the command docker volume create portainer_volume. Then launch the Portainer container with this command. I'll have it in the description below. This command runs Portainer in the background, maps port 9443 and 8000 to your system. It ensures it restarts automatically, and it uses a Docker volume for persistent storage. It also connects directly to Docker using the socket file and uses the latest version of Portainer Community Edition. Next, check that Portainer is running by listing Docker containers using the command docker space ps. To access Portainer, open a web browser and go to your server's IP followed by the port 9443. For example, it would be this IP address with this port number. You may see a warning about your connection not being private. Just proceed through that to the Portainer interface. Once the Portainer web interface loads, create a secure username and password. Make sure to uncheck the box for allow collection of anonymous statistics. If you prefer not to share data, then click create user. The user you just created is what you'll use to sign into Portainer. Now that your user is set up, select your local environment to get started. From here you can manage containers, images, volumes, networks, and more. That's it, you've successfully installed Portainer on Ubuntu. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed.